Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday, and it is boat day. We are taking a boat from Sorrento around the Amalfi Coast. Oh, those are my glasses. And we're gonna pop a little champagne. Hopefully, we're gonna get off at Capri, hopefully go to the Blue Grotto, and yeah, I'm gonna take you along. So, let's get this day started. Boat day.
Boat day, Amalfi, Capri.
Blue Grotto.
We're going to the Blue Grotto. Very special place, one of the 10 wonders of the world.
I don't think it is.
Yeah, because there's 8. The 9th one is me, the 10th one is the Blue Grotto, or wherever I'm at.
The 10th wonder is wherever I'm at.
Wherever I'm at, baby. Come with me. Come with me.
There's our boat. Not this one.
Try for don't fall in the ocean.
We are off the boat. We're in Capri, right?
Yeah, Capri.
Just so you know, after 2019 now, you have to pay to get on the island. How much?
100 euro.
100 euro to get onto
for the boat.
Capri per boat. So, just an FYI if you plan on doing this, which you should. Let's go explore. Frozen lemonade.
The size of these lemons.
What?
The funicula.
In the cave. In the Emerald Grotto. You've heard of the Blue Grotto, but maybe not the Emerald. Looks like I've never heard of it. Am I right?
Cures everything.
Especially
That's it,
wine
yeah?
with a peach. Wait 5 minutes. This the peach.
Go.
Are we good?
Go. How's the water?
Nice. Beautiful.
How are you feeling on this Monday?
I'm feeling excellent.
I've had
This is
worse
a
Mondays.
great way to spend
I've
the
had
day.
worse Mondays.
Out of office.
Out of office.
We are out of office today.
This is great. This is a great way to spend your mother's 60th birthday
Yep.
cruise.
A day to remember.
It is. Once in a lifetime.
So Mom, tell them if they want to do something like this, around how much it would cost.
Well, the boat we rented was 1,500 euros. but it was definitely worth it. We had a private tour from 10 to 5.
Drinks.
We had prosecco, we had white wine with peaches and fresh fruit, and we went to Capri, and
But the price all depends on the size of the boat. Depends on if it's private, semi-private,
also how long you spend.
how long it is, and maybe where you go, the excursions. So, just wanted to share that in case you're interested. Hello, we are back from our boat day. Such a nice day, like once in a lifetime day. Now I just got ready for dinner. We're going to a place in Sorrento, which is where we're staying, so we don't have to, go too far, which is nice. I mean, we're all kind of drained from today, so gotta rally because we're in Italy. You're only here for a certain amount of time, so you gotta, make the most of it. So let's go see what kind of amazing food we get tonight. An influencer in the wild.
Meat rolled in a tomato ragu sauce. That sounds good. Homemade lasagna, meatball sauce.
Yeah, what is that?
We have sauteed mushrooms with garlic and parsley. Those are good. I mean, they're not that expensive.
This is going to be a good one. I've been looking at it. I like roasted pepper.
Want to get sauteed mushrooms?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta take this.
Did we order this? Or they gave
I don't know what that is. That's the dish.
Prego, prego, prego.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at that.
So what do we think of the restaurant?
That was excellent. One of the best.
I would give it a 7.5 out of 10.
Prices were very fair.
Prices very affordable for
Excellent dessert.
Right in
I
the
would
square
give
of
it a 9.
Sorrento.
Definitely a 9.
what?
9. It's
No,
not
definitely not a 9. I give it a 7.5.
7.5.
I don't know.
But the prices were like a 9.
Prices were good. The aesthetic is really cool.
Yeah.
Definitely get the pasta and the meatballs.
Yeah, the pasta
and the meatballs was the best.
Very,
I had
very
the
good.
gnocchi. It was okay.
Very good.
Gnocchi wasn't that good.
But
Very
I
good.
can't pronounce it, so I'll put the name down below so you can look it up if you're coming to Sorrento.
Come to Sorrento.
Now we're probably going to walk around the square a little bit and then head back to the hotel.
You guys fucked me over so bad with that.
Why?
I want real gelato, not
So
ice
get
cream
it.
from a restaurant.
That was homemade gelato.
I want flavors.
They said it was
I know,
homemade.
you guys just fuck around. Like, you don't even know what you're doing. What?
You can get whatever you want.
My God, I cry about it.
No, it's ridiculous, man. You don't get gelato from a restaurant.
It's
You get gelato from a gelato place.
It's Italy. It's all the same.
Yeah, but it's like, you don't even get ice cream from a restaurant at home. You go to an ice cream place.
That's not true.
Yeah,
But that's different.
it's the same. It's the exact same thing.
It's not because Italy gelato's everywhere.
You know that this was almost all, it's so popular, it was one of the only ones that had Bronte. This is Grandpa's hometown where they make this pistachio.
These two had double dessert today, and we are skinny kings.
When in Italy,
Do as the kings.
Who's going to the gym tomorrow?
I am.
Are you really?